Good day everyone, we are the Team O and we are going to present about the round-robin scheduling algorithm in operating system concept.
So, we talk about the backgrounds. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society and determine how people interact with each other daily basis. Technology plays important role in society today. It has a positive and negative effects on the world, and it impacts daily lives. Since then, there is a technology invented like computer. It evolves to better and be a friendly user so that it is very easy to use. In a computer, there is a system that called operating system, where it is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer memory and process as well as its all software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak a computer language. In operating system, there is CPU scheduling algorithm. So what is CPU scheduler algorithm? It is a process of determining which process will own CPU for execution while another process on hold. The main task of CPU scheduling is to make sure that whenever the CPU remains idle, the OS at least select one of the processes available in the ready queue for execution. There is CPU scheduling like FCFS, which is first come first serve, and SJF, which is shortest job first, and so on. Those are the algorithms that can be used to execute a process. So in our project, we are doing the round robin algorithm. So what is the round robin algorithm? It is a type of CPU scheduling. Round robin is one of the algorithms employed by a process and network schedule in computing. It generally uses a time slice which is known as a quantum time that are assigned in all the given process equally in circular order, and it is handling all the process without priority. The objectives. The main goal is to develop a round-robin algorithm that can provide all of this. It can provide completion time, provide turnaround time, provide waiting time, provide the average of turnaround time and waiting time, and also provide a Gantt chart.
Hi everyone, I am Angela and I'm going to report about the scope and the limitation of our program. For the number of process of our program, we have the minimum of 1 process and a maximum of 8 processes. And for the burst time, we have the minimum of 1 and a maximum of 15. And for the arrival time, we have the minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10. And for the quantum time, we have a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 4. And to answer the objectives of our program has and can provide the completion time, can calculate and display the completion time, and can display and calculate the turnaround time, can display and calculate the waiting time and the average turnaround time and the waiting time. And also, it can generate a Gantt chart. And the target or the beneficiaries are the students and the professor that are um, that are teaching and studying about the CPU scheduling in operating system concept. For the students, they can be able to compute easily without manual computation. by using the program. And for the professor, they can use the program to check the activities of the students and can also use as a materials in teaching and as an example for the students.
Hi guys, so i-demo ko na yung program namin. So ito na. Mag-run na tayo. Kami naka-ready na pala kami dito na data. Yan. So ito yung gagamitin natin. So yan. Yan. Enter number of process 3. Number arrival time 1 3 2 2 3 enter number quantum time is 2. Yan. So sa Gantt chart, yan. Ito. Sa process 0, nag-arrive siya ng 1. So, meron tayong quantum time na 2. So, nag-end siya ng 3. Na-interrupt siya ng 3. And then, na-continue siya ng dito. So, nag-end siya ng 8. Yan, na-complete siya ng 8. Yan. And then, sa process 1, na-complete siya ng 5 kasi burst time niya is 2 lang. And quantum time is 2 lang din. So, na-complete siya ng 5. And then sa process number 2, nag-arrive siya ng 3. And then, pinrocess siya sa dito. Tapos, na-interrupt siya sa 7. And then, na-continue siya. And then, na-complete sa 11. Yan. Sa 11 siya na-complete. Doon siya na-complete. So, ngayon, papakita ko kung paano Tapos ito yung yung average wait time and then average turnaround time. Same dito sa may ginawa namin na data. Ayan. Pakita ko yung Gantt chart para mas malinaw. Ayan. 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 Si P2 nag-end ng na-complete na 11. So, pakita ko ngayon yung code kung paano nako-compute yung completion time, turnaround time, and then yung wait time, and then yung average ng wait time, tsaka turnaround time. So, nag-declare tayo ng struct times. Ginroup natin itong mga variables na to. Yan. So, sa void sort 80, struct times a, int process. Yan, process to yan. Struct times and then time. Dito pina-process yung arrival time. Yeah, I mean, parang dito siya sa 4, j is equals to I plus 1. J is less than process, and then j plus plus. And 80 is greater than to j 80. Yan, temporary. Dito tayo sa main, dito tayo mag-focus sa main. Mag-declare tayo ng I, j, and then process, time, remain, and then yung quantum time. And then sa Q. So, dito, enter number of process, minimum of 1 and maximum of 8. So, yung i-input na process, dito siya pupunta sa pro. Yan. And then, if pro is less than to 1, which is yung minimum natin, or pro is greater than 8, which is yung maximum natin, itong 8. Kapag nag-true dyan, magka-print yung invalid input, and then, maghihingi sa ulit ng panibagong input, and then accepted is equals to 0. Else, accepted is equals to 1. Yan. While accepted is not equal to 1. remain equals to process. Yan. Ganon din sa arrival time, minimum of 1 and maximum of 10. Yung input na arrival time, ito siyang pupunta sa ai.at. Yan. If ai is less than 1 or ai arrival time is greater than 10. Kapag yung arrival time daw is less than 1 or greater than 10, mag-invalid input siya and then accepted 0. And then manghihingi siya ulit ng bagong input. Else, accepted is equals to 1. While, yan, ganun lang din, paulit lang. Enter burst time for process and then minimum of 1, maximum of 15. Dito siya pupunta sa BT, burst time, ai.burst time. Ganun lang din, minimum and then maximum. Kapag na greater or less than 1 is greater to 15, mag-invalid and then manghingi ulit, else accepted. So dito tayo sa quantum time, ganun din, minimum of 2 and then maximum of 4. Punta yung in-input sa Qt. Yan. So for time is equals to 1, I equals to 0, remain is not equal to 0. Dito natin itong if-else statement na to. Dito yung paggawa ng, dito pinaprocess, ito yung computation. Kung paano nakukuha yung completion time. Yan. Dito natin makikita, ito rin yung sa God chart mamaya. Yan. So time is equals to time plus remaining time. Yan. Else if, yan. If the remaining time is greater than 0, kapag greater sa 0, remaining time is equals to remaining time minus quantum time. And time is equals to time plus quantum time. And then i-print na to. Ganun din dito. If remaining time is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1, remain. So dito na pala i-compute yung turnaround time, and then yung average turnaround time, and then yung wait time, and then completion time, tapos average ng wait time, and yung average ng turnaround time. Dito, yung T80 is, para makuha is, ma-minus mo yung time, which is nandito na compute sa taas, minus arrival time, kung kailan nag-arrive yung process. Kung ano yung input ng arrival time ng process. So wait time is equals to time minus arrival time, and then yung burst time ng process. Sa completion time is equals to time, yung time na na-compute sa taas. And then sa pagkuha ng average wait time, yan, plus time minus arrival time minus burst time. Mamaya, i-divide yan mamaya. Kung ano yung makuha dito mapupunta. And then, i-divide siya mamaya sa process. Tuturo ko mamaya. Average turnaround time plus time minus arrival time. Yan. If I is equal to process minus 1. I is equal to 0. Yan. I plus 1. So, ito yung Gantt chart. Ito yung giprint ng Gantt chart. Ito yung sa kuha ng average na. Dinivide sa process para makuha yung average. So, yan. Yung rim. So, yan. Ito yung average. Ito yung Gantt chart. Yan. So, yun lang. Thank you. Magta-try din kami ng pangalawang data at saka pangatlong data na i-discuss ni Angela Jen. Thank you.